Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a fake camera movement in CapCut PC. So this one is actually pretty easy. You can just add two keyframes in your video in the scale in here. So you're going to go to video and then basic, and on a scale add a keyframe at the beginning of your video. Then go to the end of your video and add another keyframe. So in here, just swipe or slide to the right to adjust the scale like this. Then when the video play, it will have like a zoom in camera movement like this. Okay, so that's a tutorial for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below and like this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.